Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. Today is a really quick video on this. This is part of my Made Up in May series. So if you would like to see how I did this quirky eye, then please keep watching.
Don't think that I won't warn you. I know I made it look so easy. I know I made it sound so easy. But you were never going to be easy for me. I knew it, I knew it, I knew it. I knew it, I knew it, I knew it. Don't go making promises that you can't keep. Said you wouldn't hurt me, said you couldn't hurt me. Said you couldn't live with it, but it's still breathing. And my chest is collapsing under the I know that I'm not blameless. I know that I can be shameless. Put myself in situations I can't resist. Always turns into yet another personal test. I knew it, I knew it, I knew it. I knew it, I knew it, I knew it. I still did it. Don't go making promises that you can't keep. Said you wouldn't hurt me, said you couldn't hurt me. Said you couldn't live with it, but it's still breathing. And my chest is collapsing under the weight.
So guys, that's the finished look. I'm not 100% happy with how this came out. I kind of messed up on my lid, so it was good to try it. What do you think? Do you think it came out alright? The idea that I had was the cool with the warm, you know, because obviously the cool with the black and the grey, the warm with the oranges and the reds. So it was meant to be like that contrast, and I just really wanted to play with the glitter gel liner that I bought. I am going to list what I used down below. I know I didn't speak in this video. I just wanted to get a quick video up. I know the reason why, I was just being lazy. So I hope you've enjoyed this. If you have, please do give me a massive thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!